Welcome back, fellow explorers. Today, we're delving into the intriguing world of honeybees, those industrious little creatures that play a vital role in our ecosystem. Get ready to be amazed as we uncover 10 fascinating facts about these remarkable insects. Fact 1. Honeybee colonies are highly organized societies with distinct roles for each member. At the heart of the colony is the queen bee, responsible for laying eggs and maintaining the population. Surrounding her are the female worker bees, who undertake various tasks such as foraging for nectar, building and maintaining the hive, and caring for the young. And let's not forget the male drones, whose primary purpose is to mate with the queen. It's like a bustling city inside the hive, with everyone pitching in to ensure the colony's survival. Talk about teamwork. Fact 2. Honeybees communicate with each other through a unique form of dance known as the waggle dance. When a forager bee returns to the hive after finding a good source of nectar or pollen, she performs this intricate dance to convey the location and quality of the food to her fellow workers. It's like they're doing the honeybee hustle to share the latest gossip from the flower fields. Fact 3. Honeybees have a barbed stinger that they use as a defensive weapon. When a honeybee stings, the barbs on its stinger become embedded in the victim's skin, causing the stinger to tear away from the bee's body and ultimately leading to its death. It's a bittersweet defense mechanism for our fuzzy friends, reminding us to handle them with care. Fact 4. Honey is truly a miraculous substance produced by honeybees. Did you know that bees collect nectar from flowers and then transform it into honey through a process of regurgitation and evaporation inside the hive? It's nature's sweet treat, packed with flavor and nutrients. No wonder bears go to such great lengths to get their paws on it. Fact 5. Honeybees are essential pollinators, playing a crucial role in the reproduction of flowering plants. As they visit flowers in search of nectar, they inadvertently transfer pollen from one flower to another, facilitating fertilization and the production of seeds and fruits. Without honeybees, many of the fruits and vegetables we love to eat would simply cease to exist. Let's give a round of applause to these pint-sized pollination powerhouses. Fact 6. Honeybees exhibit remarkable collective intelligence, often referred to as a hive mind. Through complex communication and cooperation, they're able to solve problems, make decisions, and adapt to changing environmental conditions as a unified colony. It's like they're running their own democratic republic inside the hive, complete with debates over the best foraging routes and hive architecture. Fact 7. The queen bee receives royal treatment from her devoted subjects. Worker bees constantly attend to her needs, feeding her, grooming her, and even carrying her from cell to cell within the hive. It's good to be the queen, isn't it? She's the reigning monarch of the hive, with a retinue of loyal followers catering to her every whim. Fact 8. Honeybees have specialized structures on their legs called pollen baskets or corbiculae, which they use to carry pollen back to the hive. These tiny pockets are like built-in cargo holds, allowing bees to transport large quantities of pollen with ease. Talk about having the bee's knees. With their efficient pollen baskets, honeybees are the ultimate multitaskers when it comes to gathering resources for the hive. Fact 9. Honeybee colonies operate on a complex system of resource allocation and division of labor. Worker bees meticulously allocate resources such as nectar, pollen, and water to different tasks within the hive, ensuring the smooth functioning of the colony. It's like a bustling marketplace inside the hive, with bees trading goods and services to keep the colony thriving. Who knew bees were such savvy economists? Fact 10. Not all bees are equipped with a painful sting. In tropical regions around the world, you can find species of stingless bees that lack a barbed stinger altogether. It's like living in a bee paradise, where you can enjoy all the benefits of pollination without the risk of getting stung. Talk about a win-win situation. And there you have it, fellow explorers. 10 fascinating facts about honeybees that are sure to leave you buzzing with excitement. From their intricate social structure to their essential role as pollinators, honeybees continue to amaze us with their remarkable abilities. If you enjoyed today's exploration, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more adventures in the amazing world of animals. Until next time, happy exploring!